and welcome to my channel. Today allow me to share with you my little knowledge on chords. So we are in the key of C. So we all know the key of C is built up by C, E and G. And also C is also called the first position. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to comment and like the video if you like. So assume you know your scale by now, and also at least should be able to play C in 3 different positions. And last but not least, the bar chord. So here's this maybe I'm just gonna go through it. The bar chord of C. So let's go on the open C. There's a C. There's a E. There's a G. So now just for experimental purposes, I'm just gonna let's try the C major 7. We have the normal C. So now I want to know what is the C major 7. How to get the C major 7? Okay, here's our C. So if we count, we put our notes and put the C on top. C, G, E, F, G, and A. And then we count 7 notes from C. We will land on B. So where's our B on the guitar here? Remember when we shoot on guitar, we say E, B. So we have our B here. So instead of playing our C like a normal C, on this second string, we play open. So we only play the 5th string and the 4th string. The C major 7 is kind of a chilled note, calm note. It's not like a very aggressive note, like or a diminished set, but this one is calm.